What's up, everyone? I'm your host from Tag2Tech, and we've got the latest on Huawei Mate 70 Air. Stay tuned for the full breakdown. Huawei Mate 70 Air has been officially launched in China, becoming the latest smartphone to join the Air trend of slim and light premium phones. The phone comes with a large 7-inch display and a 6.6mm body. The AMOLED display supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a resolution of 2760 by 1320. Despite the slim 6.6mm size, the phone packs a 6500 mAh battery with 66-watt wired charging. It weighs 208 g and offers IP68/IP69 water and dust resistance. It offers two processor choices based on the RAM. The 12 GB RAM variant is powered by the Kirin 9020A SoC, whereas the 16 GB RAM model uses a Kirin 9020B chipset. At the back, the Mate 70 Air features a primary 50-megapixel wide camera with an f.18 aperture and OIS. You also get a 12-megapixel RYYB telephoto unit with 3x optical zoom and OIS, an 8-megapixel ultrawide camera, and a 1.5-megapixel color sensor. For selfies and video calling, the phone offers a 10.7-megapixel camera at the front. The phone runs HarmonyOS 5.1 out of the box and offers several AI features. Other specs of the phone include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.2 with LE, high-res audio, Beidou satellite communication, NFC, and reverse wired charging at 5 watts. Huawei's Mate 70 Air is available in gold and silver brocade, white feather robe, and obsidian black color options. The phone is currently available for purchase in China via the official Huawei online store. The 12GB 256GB option is priced at $590, whereas the 12GB 512GB variant will cost you $660. The Huawei Mate 70 Air in the 16GB 256GB variant has a price tag of $660, and the 16GB 512GB model is $730.